Flash flood warning!
The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Sussex County in northwestern New Jersey, northern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, northeastern Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Carbon County in northeastern Pennsylvania, southern Monroe County in northeastern Pennsylvania, until 11:30 p.m. At 7:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience flash flooding include Newton, Lehighton, East Stroudsburg, Blairstown, Palmerton, Slatington, Branchville, Delaware Water Gap, Stormville, Columbia, and Echo Lake. This includes the following highways: Interstate 80 in New Jersey between mile markers 0 and 11. Interstate 80 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 304 and 13. Northeast extension between mile markers 70 and 79. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Be aware of your surroundings and do not drive on flooded roads. The following is